Show that the sum from n equals 1 to infinity of 2 over n diverges. Now, if we're looking at this particular series, we might notice, hey, that's kind of similar to the harmonic series. And the harmonic series is well known to diverge. So one approach to this might be to use a proof or use a demonstration that the harmonic series diverges, and then, well, really, we just need to double everything. Okay? But it can take a little bit of effort to show that the harmonic series does diverge. I mean, we know it, but actually showing it? Okay? So instead, we're going to do a proof by contradiction. So let's suppose that this particular series here converges. Okay? We're going to make this assumption, and we're going to show it leads to nonsense. Specifically, it's going to contradict something we already know. And okay, if you do logic after making some assumptions and you lead to something that you know is false with your logic, then one of your assumptions must be wrong. We're only making one assumption, so this should end up being wrong, and therefore the series would diverge. Okay? So, what's going on here? Well, notice the similarities between this and the harmonic series. Okay. So, since it converges, what we're going to do is we're going to try and recover the harmonic series and show that the harmonic series converges. Okay. What do we know? Okay, well, if you've got a convergent series, you can multiply it by a fixed constant and not change the convergence. Okay. But hold on. If I bring the 1/2 in, which is, again is a property we know, we get the harmonic series. Oh, I haven't said that it converges. We can rewrite the whole thing. It'll be a little nicer, a little easier to follow. So we'll say we can see that this here is equal to the same thing if you bring the 1/2 in. The 2's cancel out. Okay. So we see that the harmonic series converges. But we know the harmonic series diverges. So this is a contradiction. Okay. So we got nonsense, we got a false statement out, we made one assumption, and that led to showing that the harmonic series converges, and we know that that's not true. Okay. So our assumption was wrong, and so this particular series diverges, which is what we wanted to show. And we just went about it with a proof by contradiction.